All right, Gregory. I have to say, that was the best cheesecake we ever ate. However, we're ill.
And you've doubled your investment in wives.
My husband's not trying to double his investment. Can't even get the pants buttoned. Woo! I think I need to go home.
You have now created 2 tubbies.
Yeah, thanks a lot. I thought my ass was big enough, but apparently I had room to grow. Woo! I gotta go to the thrift shop and get some new pants.
Oh, shopping.
Shopping! Ooh, we're off Monday.
Okay.
Isn't that weird how everything just turns into shopping?
That's right.
Thanks. Bring more.
Okay, more cake tomorrow. We need to make,
Salad.
Yes.
Salad.
Actually, salad.
All next week, salad, please. A salad wrap would be good. We could have salad with,
wrappy stuff.
Yeah, with wrappy stuff in it.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, that's the menu for next week.
Okay.
Okay, we tried to do production value with the music, but, whatever. All right. Say bye-bye.
All right, see your tummies.
Here's the big bellies.